going to start off with this F sharp minor chord. We've got the third finger, 4th fret of the D, first finger bar on the 2nd fret of the G, B and high E, and we can also have thumb over the top on the 2nd fret of the low E. If you can get it, it doesn't actually matter if you can't get that, because we can just aim for the high strings really. We're going to strum down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then on the last one, down up, we'll have a down up there as well. We're going to kind of pulse this chord like a staccato effect, so every time we hit it, we'll release the pressure on the left hand. And in the second bar, we'll do exactly the same thing, except for on the 4th beat, we'll strum down, up, down, up. So that second bar would be 1 and 2 and 3 and down, down. Okay, so the whole rhythm there, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. For the main riff in the song, we're going to be playing on the 2nd fret of the low E string 3 times. Again with that kind of staccato pulsing effect. So every time we play the note, we'll release the pressure. 1, 2, 3. Then at the 5th fret of the low E string, and do the same thing. Down to the A string, 5, 4, without the staccato feel. And then back to 5, 4 on the low E string. So it'll be 2, 2, 2, 5, A string, 5, 4, E string, 5, 4. And this kind of repeats throughout the intro and verse. The last time through, there's a little hit on the 2nd fret and we just rest after that. For the chorus, we go to a B bar chord. This is the 1st finger bar at the 7th fret, 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the A, pinky finger 9th fret of the D, and the 8th fret with the 2nd finger on the G string. I'm going to play down in 8th notes with that staccato feel again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down 2 frets, same chord shape. This is an A chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so we go B, A. Back to that B chord. This time we're going to go down, 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 up. 1 and 2 and out. To an E at the 12th fret, same shape. Down, down. 1 more fret to an F, down, down. And that's the end of the chorus. So it'd be B, A, B, E, F, and then back into the riff. The second guitar in the chorus plays a single strum of B, single strum of A, then we've got this down, down, single strum on the E and the F. So B, single strum, A, single strum, back to that B chord, down, down, E, F, and then we go back into the riff. For the bridge section, we stay on the B chord. This time without the staccato effect. Down to the A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a little down up on the end of there. This is repeated. The very last time we got that B, down, 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 up, E, down, down, up, F, down, down, up, and that's the end of the bridge. Last time. For the outro riff, we have the same kind of riff, dun, 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 but played higher up here. It's 4th fret on the D 3 times, 7 on the D, then we go down to the G, 7, 6, and then 7, 6 on the D. Dun, dun, dun. And again, on the last time we just play the first beat, that 4th fret on the D once and release it. There is another background riff here as well, slightly different. Starts off on the 2nd fret of the low E string, open A, 4th fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, open D, then back to 4 on the A, open A, 4th fret on the low E. So 2 on the E, open 4 on the A, 4 open on the D, 4 open on the A, down to 4 on the low E. again finish single hit on the second fret there, low E string.